Hi, are you considering buying or selling real estate in the Smith Mountain Lake real estate market here in Virginia? Well, today I'm going to go over the third quarter market update results for Smith Mountain Lake. So we're going to look into the numbers, dive right in, and give you an idea what's been happening here in our local market. So first of all, there has been robust activity for the third quarter of 2024, and we're going to look at overall pricing and stability of the market for all types of homes that are in the immediate lake area. So average home prices of all types rose 8% year over year for the third quarter compared to the same period last year. So that is continuing an upward trend on price appreciations that we've been seeing over the last few years. Active listings were up 24%, so we've had a lot more that came on the market in the third quarter, and sold listings are up 21%. Homes are moving pretty quickly, and the average days on the market is 49 days average to sold. So it is a competitive market for buyers. Now let's break down those numbers a little bit further into condos and townhouses, which are attached homes, versus detached single-family homes, okay? Because there is a wide disparity there on the market. So for detached homes, which is a single family, active listings were up a robust 37%, with 86 lake homes sold this quarter. So that's an impressive 32% compared to last year with the number sold. The average sales price of a detached home also rose 5%. To an average sales price of $924,869. That is a single family home in the immediate lake area, so that could be both on or off the water. Overall, the detached homes contributed to a 39% increase in total sales volume, so it's a strong demand for luxury lakefront living. As far as attached homes, those are going to be the condos and townhomes. We saw a little bit of a different trend there. So active listings were actually down 11%, and sold listings were down 3%. So a lot less activity on the condos and townhomes, at least during the third quarter. Still, the average sales price held at $537,000 for those attached type homes. And so even though the volume of sales was slightly lower, attached homes can offer a great opportunity and, seeing some price stability there. So for both buyers and for sellers and for investment properties, that would be a good option for you to look at a townhouse or condo. So now let's look at the interest rate updates. So you have seen, I'm sure, that the interest rates have been very volatile again. Everyone was very excited with the rate reduction that we saw, but a lot of people have been asking me what's going on and why the rates have actually risen back up a little bit lately. Currently, the average conventional 30-year mortgage rate is around 6.5% at the time of this filing, and average 15-year rate is around 5.8%. Of course, it depends on your credit score and a lot of other factors, but that is a nationwide average right now. So why are rates higher than expected? Well, it's important to know that mortgage rates have already baked in the anticipated rate drop. So we had the rate drops before the Fed actually lowered interest rates. So mortgage rates are not directly tied to the Fed rate. They're tied to 10-year T-bills and changes in factors like inflation, bond markets, and investor sentiment. Now, again, we're not sure what's going to happen this year. There's been a little bit of back and forth and predicting that possibly the Fed might slow down those rate cuts. So good news is we do expect rate reductions in the near future, which could further improve affordability for buyers. So if you're considering a purchase, there's still a lot of opportunity ahead, talking about multiple rate cuts, at least into next year. So we'll see what happens, right? So what's coming up next? As far as home prices, the average of all of the experts on projected home prices for both this year and into the next few years is that the rates are still going to continue to climb. So anybody talking about a crash in the market, we're not seeing that or predicting that at all, or any price reductions whatsoever. I think that holds very true here in the Smith Mountain Lake real estate market. All real estate is local, so sometimes the national rates or trends don't exactly follow here, but we are in a robust market. So the average of the expert forecast is that they think this year will have price appreciation of about 4.5% from start to finish of this year, and that next year we'll add over 3% on top of that next year. So, each of the next few years, they're still predicting home price appreciation. So you want to jump on board before those prices increase, right? Because even a moderate home price growth can add up fast. Now, personally here at the lake market, I've got some exciting news. I've got a lot of listings that are coming to market soon, both off water and on water. I've got some unique new construction luxury listings that are quite large on level lots to the water. So be sure to check that out when it comes on. Also, I have some pocket listings that are not yet on the market. So whatever you're looking for in any price point, message me, reach out. Be sure to get early access before these hit the market. So thank you for tuning in to this market update. It's always good to be with you and tell you what's going on here at beautiful Smith Mountain Lake, the best lake in the state of Virginia and on the East Coast. And it's the Lake Tahoe of the East, according to Travel and Leisure magazine. As always, I'm here to navigate this market for you, and I am your Lake Lady Realtor. Follow me on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook, and stay tuned for more updates and things that are coming soon. I'll see you next time.